Assalamu alaikum 3 class. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Miss Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to solve exercise. So now we are going to solve question number 1, which is choose the correct answer. So the first option is, which of these is not a force? The options are push, pull, gravity, light. So the correct answer is light. Light is not a force. Second option is, which of these can a force do? The options are change the shape of something, slow something down, speed something up, all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Third option is, the force present when two surfaces rub together is called friction, gravity and wind. So the correct answer is friction. Fourth option is, cycling faster creates a force that will make a bicycle. The options are slow down, speed up, change shape, stop. So the correct answer is speed up. Last option is, the force that pulls everything down to the earth is called. The options are gravity, cavity, wind and friction. So the correct answer is gravity. Now we are going to solve question number 2, which is fill in the blanks. So the first statement is, dash is a natural force. The options are wind, electricity. Wind is a natural force because it is naturally present. Second statement is, a horse, cart move due to force produced by the cart and horse. So the correct answer is horse. Third statement is, the force of gravity keeps everything firmly dash on the ground in the air. So the correct answer is on the ground. Fourth option is, a dash is the force applied to the pedal on a bicycle. The options are push or pull. So the correct answer is push. Fifth statement is, a dash is a force applied when something applies the brake on a bicycle. The options are pull or push. So the correct answer is pull. Last statement is, when the brake pad rub against the wheel dash slow down bicycle. The options are gravity or friction. So the correct answer is friction. Now we are going to solve question answers. First question is, what is force? Four forces are pushes and pulls. In easy wording, we can say that when we push or pull something or an object, the object moves from its original position to another position. So in other words, we can say that pushes or pulls are forces. Question number 2 is, what can a force do? When something changes position, it is also due to force, which may be push or pull. Falls, flies up into the air, turns, stop or move in any way. These can all done with a force. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.